Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll teach you about annotation. Annotation is basically like attaching metadata to a function, arguments, and returning values. They provide hints and about the types of variables and making code easier, so understanding tools become easier. So let's get started. So first we'll enter largest area equals 0. And we'll put an underscore here. Now we'll do def greet name str string, and then we'll do a minus and then this sign and then str. Now we'll do return f hello, and then we'll do the name. So we'll just first do this and type name. And we'll do this. Okay. Now we'll do oops, sorry. So let's first do def read name and then we'll do return. Okay. Now let's do def triangle underscore area and then we'll do this base float height and then we'll also type float again and then after that we will put minus and then we'll do this and then float. Now let's do area and then we'll do float equals base times height slash 2. Now return area. Now we'll click enter again. Now let's do def main and enter this. Now let's do print greet and now let's do KP. Those are my initials. And we'll do this. Now we'll do print and then we'll do greet and then we'll do an underscore, and then we'll do annotations. Annotations. And then we'll do this. Now we'll enter and do print greet dot underscore doc. Now let's type print triangle underscore area, and then we'll do 5.6 comma 4.7 and do this. As you see, it will print the area of triangle. Now let's do print triangle area 1 1. As you see, it'll enter 0.5 as 1 times 1 is 1 and then divided by 2 0.5. So this only calculates like the a specific type of triangle, like the triangles that like have two sides. So like it must have the equal side because like in math, like if you have like 3 different area like sided triangles, you do base times sides. So this is the base, the 1 is the base, and the 1 is the height. And then base times height divided by 2 is the area of a triangle. So yep, that's how we do it. So now we will do an if underscore name double equals main, and then we'll double equal this, double underscore this, and then we'll do a comma. And now we'll do main, and we'll do this. Oops, sorry. I don't think we actually need this, so now we can do if name equals main, we don't need to do that. So let's just do like let's do like a print triangle area in 564.7. Let's like say you wanna do oops, sorry. Wait, let me fix this. Okay, so now we'll do print triangle area, and let's do, for example, 100 and 100. So this will give us 10,000, and then 10,000 divided by 2 equals 5,000. Now let's enter. As you see, we entered float. So float is a number that has a decimal, but you guys might say well, 0.0 is also a same number. So a point zero makes it the same number, but yeah, it's still a float if it's a decimal. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about annotations. I'll explain more of stuff like these later. And please be sure to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel for more educational videos like these. Until next time, have a great week.